So one of the most important value propositions or tools that we can utilize and offer to our agents as team leaders and broker owners is making sure that they have the opportunity for growth in your organization. Retention is one of the key things to remember when you're growing a team or you're growing a brokerage. It's one thing to bring the agents in, develop those agents, but it's equally important to make sure that those agents are staying with you, and more importantly, seeing the value and seeing the opportunities and experiencing the opportunities for growth. So the way we structured our organization, our brokerage, is the fact that when we attract a newer agent or even experienced agent, there are going to be graduation models within the organization, and also the compensation, an opportunity for them to grow from a partner plus agent, which is a brand new agent that needs an additional layer of support and training and one-on-one mentorship and leads. They graduate from that model to our second model, which is a partner model. It's a split model, but we still do a lot of coaching and mentorship and still giving them leads, but in a group environment. And then they move to the entrepreneur model. And with entrepreneur model, it's more for seasoned, experienced agents, top producing agents, team leaders, where they keep a lot of money in their pocket in terms of a commission. But again, that's giving them the opportunity to grow, right? As agents, production-wise and also income-wise. And then ultimately, we also help them and share our best practices and systems in them starting or forming their own team, running their own branch, whether it's a virtual branch or a physical branch. We partner up with them on that as well. And then ultimately, if they want to own their own real estate brokerage, own their own mortgage company and their own title company, we offer those opportunities to them as well. And because of that, when you're hiring somebody who is either a brand new agent or a struggling agent or even a top producing agent, when you lay that vision to them, when you share that vision with them, when you talk to them about the fact that it's not about just slinging homes for a living till you're 65 or 70 or 80 years old, there's an opportunity for you to grow within the company instead of leaving the company and doing stuff on your own. We have that available for our agents. So again, if you're a team leader and broker owner, I know it's tough, and I've been there and we're still there in terms of retaining talent, right? The turnover rate in our industry is very, very high. Especially it's high when the agents have stopped seeing the value and stop seeing the opportunity for growth within the team or within the brokerage. So think about this, guys, and have something like that in place if you want to maybe increase the retention rate in your company. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.